Okay, so today we're going to be taking a deep dive into something that really caught my eye. And it's this whole idea of making over $1,100 a day, like over $1,100 every single day,
Wow.
using ChatGPT. And get this, the free version.
Free ChatGPT.
Yeah, like I don't even understand.
That's a bold claim,
That's a bold claim.
especially in 2025.
Especially now, right? Like who's giving away free stuff anymore that actually makes you money?
Right.
So anyway, we're going to be looking into the system called Affilify, and we're going to see if it can really live up to the hype, because this guy, David William, he's the one behind it. He's promising that even total beginners can make over $1,000 in their first week.
First week. Wow.
Yeah, and honestly, like, it sounds a little too good to be true, right?
Yeah, $1,000 in a week for beginners, that's a
It's a
pretty big promise.
It's a huge promise, and I think a lot of people are going to be wondering, like, how is that even possible, especially in affiliate marketing?
Right. And that's exactly what we're going to try to figure out today.
Mm-hmm.
What is this Affilify system all about? Can it really deliver on these promises? Especially for someone like you who's listening. You know, you want to get to the heart of it all without wading through a ton of jargon and complicated stuff. We want to cut through the noise and see if this is legit, especially this focus on passive affiliate income. Passive income. That's the dream, right?
Right.
So let's start with the source of all this excitement. This information we're looking at comes directly from the promotional materials for Affilify, and it's all attributed to David William. So who is this guy, and why should we even pay attention to what he has to say?
Right, like what makes him the expert?
Well, he's positioning himself as someone with a lot of experience in affiliate marketing. He claims he's made over $1.1 million in the last year alone, just from affiliate marketing.
$1.1 million.
Yeah, and he says his best month was over $138,000 in commissions.
In 1 month.
In 1 month.
Okay, so those are some seriously impressive numbers, and it definitely makes you want to learn more. But I'm also curious, like, how long has he been doing this to get to this point?
Well, he mentioned spending a decade refining this strategy that he calls easy and repeatable.
A decade?
Yeah, 10 years. That's a long time to be working on something, and it makes you wonder what exactly is at the core of this strategy.
Right, it's not some overnight thing. He's been at this for a while, and it seems like he's really trying to streamline things for people who are just starting out.
Exactly, and that brings us to the problem that Affilify is claiming to solve. Because let's be honest, getting started with affiliate marketing can be incredibly overwhelming. You know, you've got all these different things to figure out, like...
It's like, where do you even begin?
Right, it's like you're thrown into the deep end without knowing how to swim.
Yeah.
You've got to figure out which products are actually going to make you money, how to build a website or some kind of online presence, how to get people to actually see your offers, all this traffic stuff. And then it can feel like it's going to cost you a fortune and you need to be some kind of tech genius.
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head. There's so much to learn, and it can be really intimidating, especially for beginners who are just dipping their toes in.
Right, so Affilify is presented as this solution that takes away all that overwhelm and guesswork. They call it a done-for-you affiliate system.
Done for you. So basically, they've already done the hard work for you.
That's the idea. They're saying that David William has packaged up his most profitable strategies and made it super easy for anyone to duplicate his success, even if you're a complete newbie.
Okay, so it's like a shortcut to affiliate marketing success. It sounds pretty tempting.
It definitely does. So let's dive into the specific features and benefits that they're highlighting. The first thing that jumps out is the fully automated setup.
Automated setup, so like you don't have to spend hours configuring everything.
Exactly. They're saying it only takes a few simple steps to get up and running. You can get started quickly without any complicated tech stuff.
And what about cost? I mean, most systems like this come with some kind of monthly fee, right?
Well, here's the kicker. They're claiming there are no costs involved at all. They say the whole system operates on free platforms.
Wait, so you're telling me I don't have to pay anything to use this thing?
That's what they're saying.
Yeah.
There's no upfront investment required, which is a huge draw for people who are hesitant to spend money before they even know if something works.
Okay, I'm intrigued, but I'm still wondering about the traffic. Like, how do you get people to actually see your affiliate offers without spending a fortune on ads?
That's where the built-in free traffic sources come in. They're saying you don't have to worry about expensive ads because they've got you covered with free traffic methods that are already built into the system.
Free traffic? That sounds almost too good to be true.
I know, right? Shit, it's a big promise. But if it's true, it would be a game changer for affiliate marketers, especially beginners who don't have a lot of money to invest in paid advertising.
Okay, what about the products themselves? Like, do you get to choose what you promote, or is it all pre-selected?
They say you get guaranteed approval to hand-picked, high-converting affiliate products. So basically, they've already done the research and selected products that they know are profitable and have a good track record of converting into sales.
So you don't have to waste time testing different products or worrying about getting rejected from affiliate programs?
Exactly. And to back up all these claims, they emphasize that these strategies have been tested and proven through over $1.1 million in real-world affiliate commissions.
There's that $1 million figure again. It seems like they really want to drive that point home.
Yeah, they're definitely using their own claimed success as a way to build credibility and show that their methods actually work.
And lastly, they're also saying that Affilify's beginner-friendly and requires zero tech skills. So you don't need to be a coding whiz or a website design expert to use this thing.
That's right. They're trying to appeal to people who might be intimidated by the technical side of online marketing. They're saying that anyone can use Affilify regardless of their tech skills.
Okay, so they're painting a pretty rosy picture here, but what about some specific income claims? Are they promising any concrete results?
Yeah, in addition to that overall $1.1 million figure, they specifically claim that this exact strategy brought in over $1,000 in commissions within a single day.
$1,000 in one day, that's a very specific and bold claim.
It is, and they're using it to highlight the potential earning power of this system, even for beginners. They also kind of tease that there are other success stories with a vague and a lot of stuff, but they don't really provide any concrete details beyond that.
Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty of how the system actually works. They talk about a three-step automated system, so walk us through that.
Sure. So step one is setup, and they describe it as easy and completely free. This involves getting your affiliate account set up in a way that's optimized for approval. They also guide you through creating free landing pages, which are basically those dedicated web pages designed to capture leads or make sales.
So it sounds like they're holding your hand through the initial setup process, making sure you have everything in place.
Yeah, and they also recommend a beginner-friendly email automation tool that's free to use. So you can start automating your email marketing right away without having to pay anything up front.
That's really important because email marketing can be a key part of any successful affiliate marketing strategy.
Absolutely. And step two is where you actually activate your Affilify campaign. They say you can get these ready-made campaigns up and running in under 2 hours.
Ready-made campaigns so you don't have to create everything from scratch?
Exactly. It sounds like they provide you with pre-built marketing materials that are designed to convert. So you just plug and play, essentially.
And they're saying you don't need any technical skills or paid tools to do this?
Nope. They're really emphasizing the ease of use and the fact that you can get started without any additional costs.
And then step 3 is where the passive income magic happens, right?
That's the idea. Step 3 is all about profiting with automated affiliate commissions.
Mhm.
They claim that once you've set everything up, those built-in free traffic sources will start driving traffic to your offers, generating leads, clicks, and ultimately sales.
And this is all happening 24/7 even while you're sleeping.
That's the promise of automation.
Yeah.
You set it up once, and then the system does the rest of the work for you, bringing in those sweet affiliate commissions.
Okay, but here's the thing. They're offering this entire Affilify system for a one-time payment of just $10,
$10. That's incredibly cheap.
right? Like, what's the catch? Why so low?
Well, they give a couple of reasons for this low price. First, David William mentions that he's launching an exclusive affiliate membership group in 2025, and he's hoping that by letting people experience some initial success with Affilify, they'll be more likely to join this higher-level group later on.
Ah, so it's a way to get people in the door and then potentially upsell them to something more premium later on.
Exactly. And second, they present it as a way to build trust
Yeah.
and demonstrate the effectiveness of his methods to a wider audience. They're saying, look, we're so confident in this system that we're willing to offer it at a ridiculously low price just so you can see for yourself how well it works.
And to sweeten the deal even further, they're also offering a triple guarantee, right?
They are. They say you can get a full refund within 60 days if you're not happy with the results, if you find the system too complicated, or even if you just don't like their teaching style.
Wow, that's pretty generous.
It is, and they even say that you get to keep all the bonuses, the training materials and other resources, even if you request a refund.
So there's really no risk involved.
Well, they do include a standard disclaimer saying that they can't legally guarantee any specific income.
Yeah.
But yeah, from a risk perspective, it seems like a pretty safe bet.
All right, so for $10, what exactly do you get? They list a bunch of components with some pretty high claim values.
Yeah, they break it down like this. First, you get the complete done-for-you affiliate automation system. which they say has a real-world value of $1997.
1997.
Then there's the step-by-step affiliate marketing training document valued at $297.
Mm.
And finally, you get on-demand support and personal coaching access, which they value at $197.
So they're claiming that you're getting over $2,491 worth of value for just $10.
That's their claim. And they're definitely creating a sense of urgency around this offer. They say it's for a limited time only, and even warn you not to contact support if the buy button is gone.
So they're using scarcity to encourage people to take action now.
Exactly. And then they present you with what they call three choices.
Mm-hmm.
You can do nothing, you can try to figure out affiliate marketing on your own, or you can grab Affilify while it's still available at this low price.
It's a classic sales tactic, but it can be effective.
It can.
Mm-hmm.
And to really drive the point home, they include a PS at the end, where they paint a picture of waking up and knowing your bills are covered because of the email marketing you've been doing.
So they're appealing to that desire for financial freedom and passive income.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
They're saying, look, imagine waking up every day knowing that your emails are working for you, generating income even while you sleep.
And they suggest a daily commitment of just 30 minutes for 30 days, focusing on setting goals, creating a lead magnet, and sending out those affiliate emails.
Right. So even though it's a done-for-you system, they're still emphasizing the importance of putting in some consistent effort.
That's an important point. I think a lot of people get lured in by the promise of passive income without realizing that there's always going to be some level of work involved.
Exactly. And to wrap things up, they include all the standard disclaimers about earnings not being guaranteed, no affiliation with Facebook, and links to their privacy policy terms and conditions and support information.
And they also mention that you'll be added to their email list for future support and promotional emails, but you can unsubscribe at any time.
Right. So it's all pretty standard stuff that you'd expect to see with any online offer like this.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here. We've looked at what the Affilify system claims to be, the features, the benefits, the pricing, the guarantee, and even the sales tactics they're using. What are your overall thoughts?
Well, it's definitely a compelling offer, especially for someone who's brand new to affiliate marketing. The low price point, the done-for-you aspect, the free traffic sources, the automation, it all sounds very appealing.
It does, but there are also some things to be cautious about.
Right. Of course. I think it's important to remember that no system is going to be 100% passive. You're always going to have to put in some effort, especially in the beginning, to get things set up and running.
And those free traffic sources, I'm curious to know more about what those actually are and how effective they really are.
Me too. And the ready-made campaigns, are they high quality? Will they actually convert into sales? And what about the level of support you can expect for just $10? These are all questions that I would want to have answered before making a decision.
Right. I think it's important to go in with a healthy dose of skepticism and do your own research before jumping into any online money-making opportunity.
Absolutely. Don't just take their word for it. Look for reviews, testimonials, case studies, anything that can give you a more objective perspective on whether this system can actually deliver on its promises.
And always remember that there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a sustainable online income takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt.
Exactly. There are no shortcuts to success. But with the right tools, strategies, and mindset, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding and profitable way to make money online.
So for all of you listening, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Affilify. Have you tried it? What are your experiences? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, and if you're thinking about giving it a try, be sure to do your due diligence, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision based on your own goals and circumstances.
Awesome. As always, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into Affilify. We'll be back next time with another exciting topic. Stay tuned.
See you then.
And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on Affilify and other resources that can help you on your affiliate marketing journey.
And subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of online business and passive income.
Thanks for watching.
See you.